Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. John here, and you're in the Sky One Videos channel. Today is Monday. Yes, I have the day off. I'm going to Petty Garage and getting some mods put on. So yeah, stick around. We're gonna check it out.
Get strong.
Nice about being here in North Carolina, you can go to there's a lot of garages, not just Petty's Garage, that you get work done
in 1,000 feet.
Not that,
turn left.
Not that I can't put these some of these mods on myself, but I want to go and have them do it. And look at my seats. The seats look nice. I took off the seat covers, and that's what's nice about seat covers. Keeps everything looking brand new. Okay, in case you're wondering, today is what is it? The March 3rd, 2022. I just got gas here, premium fuel, 93 octane, which is top tier, at Costco, and it was $4.19 a gallon for premium, which I know some people are paying that much for regular. It's at regular gas stations, but you know they're ripping you off. That's the way it is. People know that. People know that prices are high, so I don't know. I guess they feel it's okay to charge you an extra $1 a gallon. There's no sense in being upset. So yeah, so this is great. Going to Petty Garage. There is a Petty cruise-in this weekend, but you know I'm not gonna go there twice. It takes me just almost 2 hours to get there, and I had to stop here to get gas. So yeah, we'll just take it from there. But I'll show you around. Hopefully they'll give me a tour of the garage. I'm thinking about getting a dyno on this car because I want to get a baseline. And where else to get a dyno runner than Petty Garage? They just got a new dyno machine. All right, so it's a cloudy and windy day. People were having a hard time keeping their lane. I didn't notice the wind, but yeah, I'm almost here. Over here by Randleman, North Carolina. So yeah, we'll film it when I pull in here. Pretty excited. Pretty humble town here. Hey, I also want to show you, look at that. That's pretty good, 19 miles per gallon. About 70 miles an hour on the highway, most of the way here. Car seems to be running pretty good. I don't know if you've seen my other video here when I came here for Petty Fest. I'm wearing the Petty Fest shirt. That's Kyle's car right there. I'm gonna go in, go see Randy in the parts department, and get set up. There's some different cars here today.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, are you Randy?
No, I'm Jerry.
During parking mode. Motion detection recording.
4 occurred. Continuous recording will now start.
Ambrose drove for Petty.
To drive for another team. It proved to be the fresh start that he needed.
I got to meet him at the Las Petty Fest.
Last time I seen him, he was doing pretty good. Been a couple weeks since I saw him.
Oh, that's a nice one right there. Wow, this thing's in nice shape. He's heating his pipe up so that it'll melt the hole. See, that's a trick to the trade right there. Guys think. So I just got some things at the store, and yeah, it was just great chatting with everybody here. It's so laid back and just a nice place to come. My car looking good, and that's Kyle's car right there. Hey Richard. Can I record?
Yes, you can. I'm gonna take pictures.
I gotta put you on my YouTube channel.
How are you?
Okay, buddy. How you doing?
Good, good. I used to watch you with my dad. We were back in the day. We were racing. You know, and what I liked about the old days was the cars were like what we owned, like my dad had. You know, cars today they're plastic on top of the.
Appreciate you coming down. Sorry about
Thank
the
you.
weather.
Oh, no worries. You can't fix it. I think right here would be good if we could.
All right, we'll see what we can do here, man.
It is so comfortable for long drives.
In there, cozy up.
Uh-huh.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now. Set aside your worries, it's okay now. The sun is here to stay. Blue skies, feel the wind beneath you as you fly by, dancing on a cloud.
I was watching. Saw you driving through a wall and or two. But yeah, this is just a stock.
Yeah.
I just got it, and I was on your website looking at all the different
You need
modifications.
to bring it down and let the guys in the shop over there work on that thing.
That's what I was
Paint
thinking.
job on it.
Yeah, because it's just bone stock. I don't want cheap stuff on there. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right.
We'll do it right here.
All right, yeah, sure will.
If you want to come either stand behind the car or right here at this end, you can take your mask off and we'll get it.
Okay. The handle's good. I pulled the tires off. I put some Michelin Pilot Sport All Seasons on there, so it doesn't kick the rocks up, you know.
And tires make it ride stiff better. Ride.
Yeah, it was a nice ride, and but I saw the tower braces and things like that. I thought about doing that. I want to do the front and the rear. I guess you got to do them together.
Yeah, we got the chassis down there. They can put it on there and tell you how much. And if you want more, they can work on that too.
Okay. All right. Well, very good.
See, neat deal.
So where's Kyle? Kyle's not here.
He's hiding.
He's hiding Kyle. Okay.
All right, then. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
We appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
And this will
Y'all
be
have a
emailed
good
and
day.
also put on a flash drive and mailed to you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, Richard. Nice to meet you. Thank you, gentlemen. So this has been mostly straight runs. There was a couple on ramps, off ramps, and the way the car felt, it felt like I'm in sport mode, and I'm just in auto mode. So the suspension did tighten up, and it seems like when I make the turns, that the turns on the off ramps are just easier than they would normally be. I can't really explain it other than that, but as far as, you know, I'm not really racing it, so I guess I would notice it when I would hit some turns a little bit tighter, a little bit hotter than I normally do. I should feel it. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. But right now, I don't know. It just does feel a little bit, but it could be placebo.
All that weirdness.
Exit left to exit 404B, US 1 north, US 64 east, Fort Raleigh.
And oh, yeah, everything I need's right here. And oh, yeah, all my worries disappear. And oh, yeah, the music.
So I just hit an on-ramp here, and this car, it stayed way flatter. It made it a lot more effortless. That's the best way I could explain it, I guess. It's like it was more of a Corvette going around the turn than a pickup truck, you know? So, yeah, I noticed a difference. Big difference, actually.